Okay, just had a good visit with Calvin on the way back out now. Calvin says this ain't nothing. Not even anything to get excited about. Yeah, I gotta be honest. It looks like something to get a little excited about. Now, going down to lower ground. And pretty much have to guess where the driveway is. About a foot of water. A little too deep for the Cadillac. Okay, we're getting deep now. We're right up to the edge of the bottom of the truck door. Probably 2 feet. I'm glad Calvin has these reflectors here because there's a culvert underneath us. If you get to one side or the other, not good. There's the water at the door. Woo! Calvin says about 6 hours it goes down, and he said he'll be out this evening. Cabin was nice and dry. Some pumps ain't even on. And coming up to the gate. We're in less than a foot of water now. Up on the bridge, there's the creek. There's the other side of the creek. Debris in the road. Gotta drag my brakes. I don't have any. Here's our pedestal. Always floats away. And this, somewhere under here, is a road. There's a field. And the water's about 4 inches below the truck door. I can hear my tailpipe underwater. Driving out McCubbins Hollow. Little high spot here. Oh, we're in deep doo-doo now. Wow. going to be back here on an island. There's the water right up to the bottom of the door again. Pretty damn deep. Calvin assures me this ain't nothing. Don't even worry about it. Lots of waves, trucks making like a boat, pushing off a lake. Big stump or something laying in the road. Try to give that a little wave. It didn't work. It's still laying in the middle of the road. Alright, drag my brake, make sure I got some. Dry ground. There's this little park area. Guy cleared off a few years ago. Completely underwater. Coming out McCubbins. And we're about to hit water again. Haha! And little hump, water again. Oh no, I think they closed the road. How deep are we here? A few inches below the door. Don't even worry about it, Calvin says. Around this side. Dry ground. I'm out. Alright. Coming past the Haven farm here. Approaching the bridge on 45. The water is up. There we go. There's some people looking at it. There it is.